Let's get started with your iCareSystem AutoDose and your basic settings for autonomous cleaning. Okay, so in this video we're going to have a look at some of the settings that you have with your iCombi Pro and the iCareSystem AutoDose. To begin, we're simply going to select the settings icon at the bottom of the screen, and then once you're in the settings menu, you'll have a cleaning menu that we can then select from. Okay? So in this area, we're able to initiate the autonomous and fully automatic cleaning. So at the end of the day, the unit is going to begin that cleaning process by itself autonomously. Now, in order to do that, we're going to need to set up what we call a cleaning plan. Okay, so in our second icon down, you can see a cleaning plan. And then once we're in that, we can set the cleaning time schedule. So by default, that's turned off. We can set it to a warning where it's just going to prompt us and remind us to do the cleaning. But if we would like it to happen fully autonomously, we can set it to force cleaning. Okay. Once we have the force cleaning, then each day of the week, you're able to assign the level of cleaning that's required. Okay, so we'll start off here by Monday. All we need to do is initially turn that cycle to on from off. We can then choose at which time we would like to begin the cleaning cycle, and that we want to confirm that the automatic cleaning is going to start by itself. Okay, so we're going to turn that icon to on. You can see for the cleaning program, automatically it comes up with depending on usage. Okay, so the iCombi Pro has determined how you've been using the device, and it's going to determine the appropriate level of cleaning required for that. If you'd like to adjust the level of cleaning, simply click on that cleaning program. On the far left-hand side, you can select from our intelligent cleaning programs, whether it's a light, medium, strong cycle. You also have the faster cycles if you would like them there as well. And you do have the notepad there for cleaning cycles that you may have saved in the past as well, where you may like to save just light rinses, or if we're wanting to adjust the level of cleaning chemicals used for each cleaning program, you can save your own cleaning programs to utilize in that space. Once we confirm the cleaning cycle to be used, we can simply hit the tick at the bottom of the screen, and we can see that now that element for Monday is saved. If we need to clean multiple times in a day, we can add a new element. Alternatively, we can go back to the previous screen and then continue for each day of the week. Okay. At the base, you'll see a delay time with the compulsory cleaning. So that's where a user is able to delay the period of cleaning for, for example, we have it set there for 2 hours, but you may like to adjust that level of time as well. If we come back to the previous menu, we can also see we have options for the hand shower cleaning prompt, so reminders on how often you should be cleaning your hand shower. We have our cartridge level warning. So inside of our cartridge level warning, if we turn this system on, we can then set for each cartridge level at what percentage that we would like a reminder that that cartridge needs to be replaced in the future. So this allows you to have sufficient time to order chemicals should you have no more left in your kitchen. If we return back to the previous menu, we then have options to switch the device off after cleaning. Okay, so in order to reduce energy consumption, and you'd like the unit turned off after cleaning, you can turn that process on if you like. We have a menu for notes on upcoming cleaning. So in the bottom left-hand corner of the device, you'll always be informed as to when the next cleaning cycle is due to begin. We then have an idle time without interaction before termination. So what this means is that if you are cooking throughout the day, we're looking to set a minimum time period that the unit should be idle before the autonomous cleaning can begin. So this is to ensure that you don't have any more production able to be done in your kitchen or any more cooking is required. Okay, so once you've achieved that idle period, the unit will begin that autonomous cleaning. And then finally at the bottom we have options should you be using our sodium hydroxide free cleaner. So that's how we make all of our changes for the settings in the iCareSystem AutoDose.